This is Jeff Gallion with MMAKO.org, and I'm standing next to the one and only junior featherweight champion. Awesome fight. What's going on, man?
Man, I can't even tell you right now. I'm so much happiness, you know. I trained a lot for this fight. I never felt better. I mean, I was in very good shape, you know. Obviously, it's a tough opponent, tough fight, you know. But, you know, I came in here and did my job, thanks to God, thanks to all my family, my supporters. You know, I'm able to train all the time and be ready for all the fights coming up.
Mike Christensen was tough. Then you went against Hara. This is huge. What steps are you going to take with this Rebel Fighter title? What's the future hold for you?
Man, I'm planning to keep this title for a long time, you know, unless I give it up. I'm planning not to stay away from it, you know, in the future. It's up to my manager. We don't know yet, you know, Strike Force, WEC.
Wow.
But I try to take small steps, you know, and if I fight here for another year or so, or how many ever matches, whatever, I don't care. I'm here to stay, you know.
Awesome stuff. Is there anything, any of the people you want to thank, the people out there who represent you?
I want to thank everybody out there because, you know, this is a local guy. It looks like I had a big crowd, you know, rooting for me, so that's pretty amazing. Everybody came all the way from San Francisco. It's like a 3-hour drive, so I got to thank all you guys, my family, my trainers. Thank you guys.
Everybody goes, you know what it is. Get close to the champ right here.
Get on.